Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is a darling little one. How cute is this? This is using the new Splendid Thoughts, Splendid Day, Splendid Everything suite, and I'm using this beautiful Fresh Freesia paper. It's got a lovely lilac-y purple tinge to it, and you can see it's super shiny. This was the grey granite one. All lovely, but yeah, only use the 6x6 paper. So then I'm going to tell you a funny story about die cutting. But yeah, 6x6, 15x15 centimetres. On the first side, score it at 1.5 and 4.5 inches, which in metric is 4 and 11 centimetres. And on the second side, we're going to score it at 2.5 and 3.5 inches, which is 6 and 9 centimetres. Okay, so I'm going to get this burnished. And whenever I'm using this paper, I always forget to remember to press a little bit harder than normal. It's a lovely paper. It's shiny one side and then plain toning on the other side. Absolutely lovely. Okay, and so what I need to do is I need to create a diagonal line that is from this point up. But obviously I don't have a mark there, so I'm just going to fold it in and take this bit and bend it until that lines up on the straight side. Oh, I'm getting super reflection here. And then just use my thumbnail to crease it down, or a bone folder. And you just repeat the same. So you fold it in, and what I want is this crease to meet and follow that line. So, and then you just keep repeating it round. So fold in and fold out, fold in and fold out. And that is your little baggie. Super cute, really, really sweet, very lovely. Now, you could do a couple of things. You could punch holes in and tie ribbon or anything like that. I've got some clips that are left over from me dismantling a storage solution, so I've got that. Right, funny story. I do have the dies that go with the Splendid Thoughts. I genuinely don't know where they are, and I'm going to say that's probably because I've got lots of projects, I mean loads of projects that are waiting to be filmed. I've got some that I have filmed and I photographed. When I film and photograph, I take my stamps and dies and I put them on a table waiting to be put away, and I can't find them. So, and I couldn't find them for this either, so we're going to do fussy cutting, because why not? Oh, actually I might fussy cut this one. Oh, this is a bigger one. We're going to do that. And then I love the sentiments, I love the greetings. Sending hugs, let's celebrate, much love in your new life together. Today is a day to remember. Beautiful font. I'm going to go let's celebrate. And the die set cuts out the outline of the dies, and then there is a half circle for the sentiments, except I don't have that anymore. I genuinely don't know where they are. I do have a very tidy office normally, but it's the school summer holidays. I can't find a thing right now. Ooh, what colour should I do my... Are they leaves or are they flowers? I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Right. Fresh Freesia, let's just go with the same colour. So yeah, it's just a little bit... It's a case of I'm filming at very strange times of the day when it's quiet-ish. I say that, the children are running around right now. I'm just going to hack that off, get it out of the way. Yeah, I'm filming at funny old times of the day and the night. I'm having to drop and, yeah, just drop and go, and it's, yeah, all a bit crazy. And I've got, oh, there's cats rolling around. So, okay, so what I'm taking is my decorative circle punch to get myself a little half circle. And I'm going to do some fussy cutting. Let's find a decent pair of scissors. They're quite good. I don't know if they are. There's a child running up the stairs. I hope they can work out that I'm filming a video right now. If I say it loud enough, they might hear me. And then go quiet. There we go, gone back downstairs. So yeah, I've been filming at sort of 10, 11 o'clock at night. I've been filming very early in the morning. And yeah, you know, it is the school holidays. I do want to spend time with the boys. Because, you know, that's why I work for myself. And it means that sometimes I just have to leave the office in a little bit of a mess. I don't think I'm going to go all the way down there. But yeah, there are dies that would cut this out. Instead you get to hear me chattering. Okay. Fresh Freesia is a lovely colour. I forget to remember it because Gorgeous Grape is my purple of choice. And I forget to remember how pretty this colour is. So I'm not forcing myself, but I went, oh yeah, I forgot we've got that colour, let's use it. And yeah, a nice little quick project. She says she's fussy cutting and taking an hour about it. But the bag itself is a nice, quick, easy shape to make. You could, you know, rattle out a batch of those in no time at all. They'd make really lovely party favours or, you know, place cards, name holders, something like that. You know, if you've got a do, an event, and assuming you've got a die cutting machine, and the dies, obviously, yeah, shouldn't take too long at all. Right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my Wink of Stella, and I'm going to go right into the edge, because I don't know if you can see, the foam of these ink pads sticks up a little higher, and so you can go into the side of it and pick up a little ink. You could do that, or you can get a small clear block, press it into it, and you've got a kind of paint palette. So I'm going to blob, oh, my Wink of Stella is running out. Blob it in there and just colour in my flowers. Because it's very pretty to do that. And, you know, we all love a little bit of glitter. Well, I do anyway. This is glitter without the mess. Just keep going round until you've done them all. And then with a little scrap, you just clean up your brush. Just keep swiping it until it's clean. And then that I'll deal with a tissue, and that's clean and good to go. So let's get this assembled. So I'm going to put it there, I think, and I'm going to trim it a little bit off the bottom. So I want a couple of dimensionals on here. I think I'm going to send it that way. And put that there. And then we've got these lovely open leaf trinkets. And with my mini glue dots, I'm going to pick one up at the very bottom part and one up behind there. And just add them to there. Oops. Another one at the bottom, another one in the centre. I'm just using my fingers to hide them, just sort of, because they're glue dots, they're going to stick to themselves. And tuck that one behind there. And those are lovely little gifts. And yeah, you could put little sweeties in there, or little favours, goodies, all sorts, lip balms, mini toiletries would be lovely. So, anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Wish me luck hunting for the dies. Genuinely don't know where they are. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.